Good Monday evening, and thank you for checking out this quick weather update. Hopefully you have enjoyed the beautiful weather the past few days out there. We're going to keep this dry weather through tomorrow. Definitely recommend enjoying it because, as you will see in the 7-day forecast, we have an unsettled pattern developing. Looks like we will see some stormy weather at times later tomorrow night and also on Wednesday as well. And we're going to see a very unsettled weather pattern carrying us through the rest of the week, especially it looks like again as we go into the weekend. Those chances of rain are really going to increase across the area. So looking at tomorrow, I stuck in there a 10% chance, but we're going to be lacking in moisture availability, so I think we're probably going to stay dry. Look at our high temperature reaching around 80, 81 degrees here tomorrow afternoon. Going to bring in a little more humidity too. And then as we go into Wednesday, we have a 70% storm chance. Now, it's not going to rain the whole day. There will be dry periods and dry hours, but it looks like there will be a round Wednesday morning to come through, get a break, and I think we can see another round Wednesday evening into Wednesday night. So looking at the forecast tomorrow, you can see there's not going to be much in the way of anything going on. I think we will stay dry here tomorrow, but tomorrow overnight and the Wednesday, we have to include chances for some scattered storms, especially after midnight. We could see a cluster of some scattered storms working their way in, going into the pre-dawn hours of our Wednesday, so we'll keep an eye on that. Thursday, I'm going to drop those chances a little bit lower to about 40%. We may have to drop that a little lower as we get closer, so we may get a little break there, but then as we go into Friday through the weekend, those chances will really increase here. And this is all due to a system that's going to work its way in, cut off from the jet stream, so it's not really going to be moving very quickly, merging with some tropical moisture from the south, and we will be seeing a very wet period potentially next weekend, all depending upon where this system works its way through. Where the exact track of the system is still a little bit up for debate right now, so we will keep an eye on it, but for now we are favoring a pretty wet forecast here going into next weekend. Of course, things could still adjust a little bit, so we will keep you updated, but in the meantime, enjoy the dry weather the rest of this evening and for tomorrow as well. Have a great rest of your day.